Did you know that two simple numbers in your IP address can control your entire network? It's called a subnet mask, and it's the secret behind dividing networks, controlling devices, and boosting security. Confused by all the 1 and 0? Don't worry. In this video, we'll break it down in a simple, clear way that anyone can understand. Master the subnet mask and take control of your network like a pro. Let's get started.
In this course, we will now talk about subnet masks. We are going to play with a Class C IP address, the address 192.168.1.0. As it is an IP address Class C, so we have 3 bytes for the network part and 1 byte for the hosts part. So now, one might ask the question, how does a network device know which part is the network part and on which side is the host part? Well, that is where the subnet mask comes in. For a network Class C, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. To understand how the subnet mask works, you have to switch to binary. So that falls because now I know that you are completely comfortable with the binary. The subnet mask specifies which part of the IP address corresponds to the network part and which is the host part. The 1 means that this is the network part, and the 0 is the host part. We can also say that the first 24 bits are reserved for the network address, and that the 8 bits remaining can be used to equip hosts. What do you think is the maximum value you can create with 8 bits? To find out, we will take our base for binary calculations and put only 1 for the last 8 bits. If we add all the digits that match with 1, this gives us 255. Now we know that with 8 bits, we can have 256 IPs, counting 0. So does that mean that we can distribute all 256 IPs to hosts? Well, no. Each network, there are 2 addresses that we cannot use. There is the network address. This is the address where all the host bits are set to 0. And there is the address of broadcast. This is the address where all host bits are set to 1. Now if we do 256 minus 2, that gives us 254 IPs that we can actually assign to hosts. So be careful. It is 256 and not 255, because in the network, you must always count from 0 and not from 1, as we are used to doing. We can conclude that with a Class C network, it is possible to assign up to 254 IPs to machines.